Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I have found the snowflakes of disposable plates with this set from Chic. Because they're made from individual palm leaves, every single one has its own unique design and coloration. I love the texture and the durability of these plates. So even if you're going to serve something that has a runny or soupier consistency, you don't have to worry about that going through onto your beautiful table setup. The two different sizes also give a really nice dimension and functionality to your setup. And because they're a beautiful neutral color, they really do fit in with any type of style, decor, or color scheme that you may have for your next party or event. So if you're that person that gets asked to bring plates to the party because maybe you're not the best cook, you can still wow your friends with this gorgeous set of plates from Chic. And that's my point of view.